Hey guys, today I'm back again with my mixing series, and today I'll be mixing all of my red polishes together. So let's start mixing. I started off like all the other videos, just dropping a couple of drops of polish into my cup until I'd gone through all of the colours that I owned. And for the first time, I'm actually not quite sure what the colour is going to be, because there are a few brick reds, but then there are a lot of burgundies and berries. So if I am going to predict, I think it would be on the darker scale of the red polishes. Mixing the polishes together, and surprisingly it was a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. It leans to the dark red scale, as I said it would, but I wouldn't describe it as a berry or a burgundy, more of a cherry red. After I poured it into the polish bottles using the little funnel, it was time to try it out. So again, it was streaky on the first coat like my other videos, but the second coat it darkened the colour quite a bit and it levelled it out. Plus, there was also the shimmer in there, which gave it a little sparkle effect. So when it came to naming the polish, I chose Cherry Bomb, inspired by the Runaway song. And if you haven't guessed by now, I've named these nail polishes after the Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy soundtracks, Volume 1 and 2. If I was allowed to listen to 5 albums for the rest of my life, these two would definitely be up there, as well as Florence and the Machine's Lungs. But anyway, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe good. And I'll see you tomorrow where we'll be mixing all of my green polishes. Thanks so much for watching, bye!